The Caterpillar D13 2026 Bulldozer is the future of heavy-duty earth moving, combining brute strength with intelligent technology to redefine what power, precision, and productivity mean on the job site. This machine isn't just built to push, it's built to lead. When Caterpillar announced the 2026 D13, expectations were high, and this beast of a dozer does not disappoint. Let's dive deep into everything that makes the Caterpillar D13 one of the most anticipated machines of the year. Asterisk from the moment you see it, the D13 commands respect. With a muscular frame, aggressive stance, and refined lines, it's clearly engineered for serious work. Under the hood, you'll find a high-performance CAT C13B engine capable of delivering up to 570 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful dozers in its class. This power translates directly into pushing capacity and ripping performance, especially in hard, rocky, or compacted soil conditions where lesser machines might stall or struggle. The engine is also Tier 4 final in Stage V emission, which means you get top-tier power while keeping the environmental impact in check. Asterisk, Caterpillar has focused not just on raw performance, but on optimizing fuel efficiency. Thanks to advanced engine controls and load-sensing hydraulics, the D13 adjusts its output in real time based on the workload. That means you use fuel only when you need it, resulting in lower operating costs over time. There's also an optional Eco mode that reduces fuel usage further during light load applications, making the D13 both powerful and economical. Asterisk, the transmission system is another highlight. It features a fully automatic 4-speed planetary power shift transmission, paired with an advanced torque converter. The result is smooth shifting, minimal power loss, and greater control over tough terrain. The dozer responds intuitively, whether you're pushing a full blade of material or performing delicate grading work. Caterpillar's engineers have also worked hard on balance and traction. The D13 uses a reinforced undercarriage design with a low center of gravity, giving it maximum stability on slopes and in uneven terrain. With an improved track roller frame and enhanced Sealand lubrication system, the tracks are built to last and require less frequent maintenance, reducing downtime and improving profitability on long projects. Asterisk, inside the cabin, operators are treated to an environment that's both functional and comfortable. The spacious cab is sealed and pressurized, with advanced noise reduction and vibration dampening technology. Whether you're operating in the desert, forest, or an urban construction site, the ride is noticeably quieter and smoother. The ergonomic seat is fully adjustable with built-in heating and cooling, while the control layout is intuitive, placing everything an operator needs right at their fingertips. A new 10-inch touchscreen display provides real-time diagnostics, customizable settings, and access to Caterpillar's suite of productivity tools. Asterisk technology is where the D13 really shines. It comes integrated with CAT Grade with 3D, giving operators pinpoint accuracy during grading tasks. The GPS-guided system ensures precise cuts and fills, reducing rework and saving time and materials. You can program your design and let the system guide blade movements automatically or semi-automatically, depending on your needs. There's also auto carry and auto rip, which help automate lifting and ripping operations, reducing operator fatigue and improving consistency. Combine that with slope assist, stable blade control, and onboard payload measurement, and you've got a bulldozer that doesn't just work hard, it works smart. Asterisk for site managers and fleet operators. The D13 includes full compatibility with CAT Product Link and Vision. These systems provide remote monitoring of machine health, location, fuel usage, idle time, maintenance schedules, and even operating efficiency metrics. You'll always know how your equipment is performing and can make informed decisions to optimize your entire fleet. Security is also upgraded with an optional keypad start, operator ID tracking, and remote disable features, which help prevent unauthorized use and theft. Asterisk when it comes to attachments. The D13 offers versatility that's unmatched. You can equip it with straight blades, semi-U blades, full U blades, angle blades, and even specialized blades for snow or forestry applications. Rippers are available in single shank or multi-shank configurations depending on your specific needs. Hydraulic systems are powerful and responsive, ensuring smooth control over all attachments. The Quick Attach system makes switching tools easy, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Asterisk maintenance on the D13 has been made as hassle-free as possible. Daily service points are accessible from ground level, with grouped maintenance, checkpoints, and integrated steps and handles. Fluid refill locations are color-coded and clearly marked. The machine includes an onboard service display for diagnostics, helping operators and mechanics troubleshoot issues quickly. There's even a remote software update function that allows you to update the machine's software without bringing it into the shop. Asterisk safety is another core pillar of the D13's design. It comes with rear-view cameras, proximity sensors, a high-visibility lighting package, and optional 360-degree vision systems. The ROPS FOP-certified cab ensures protection in case of rollover or falling debris, and all control systems are built with fail-safe redundancy to protect both the machine and its operator. Emergency shutdown switches are placed within easy reach, and optional fire suppression systems are available for use in higher-risk environments. Asterisk, environmental responsibility is also embedded into the D13's DNA. Beyond its low-emission engine, Caterpillar uses recyclable materials where possible and offers sustainability-focused rebuild and remanufacturing programs. With proper maintenance, the D13 is designed for long life and multiple rebuilds, reducing the need to scrap and replace. Asterisk, whether you're in construction, mining, land clearing, or road building. The Caterpillar D132026 Bulldozer represents a new level of productivity, intelligence, and durability. It's more than a machine, it's a complete solution built for the toughest demands of modern job sites. Backed by Caterpillar's global support network, parts availability, and industry-leading warranty options, you can operate with total confidence. Asterisk, the D13 isn't just about doing the job, it's about doing it faster, safer, smarter, and more efficiently than ever before. From rugged terrain to tight grading jobs, this bulldozer is designed to perform with power and precision. The future of earthmoving is here, and it's wearing a yellow badge with the number D13 on the side. Asterisk.